Mom, we are going to the party.
Son, come back on time from the party. What is it now? Till the time you guys are not at home, I don't feel like sleeping. I'm so much worried about you. See, stopped. We haven't stepped out of this home and she again started stopping us. Tell me, will your mother let us live peacefully or not? No, no, it's enough of this. I'm fed up with this. I don't want to live anymore with her in this home. You go and find another home for me.
Ria, why are you getting angry? It's not a big deal.
Just a small thing? It must be a small thing for you. For me, it's not. Nor I want to go in any party. You right now start hunting for a new home.
Ria,
Hey Swara, if in your society there is any home vacant, so do let me know. Why? What happened? Yaar, now I want to stay separate from my mother in law. Now it's beyond my patience to do her slavery. Oh, this is the thing. By the way, by thinking that I also got separated from my in laws. That's why you are free today? I'm not free. I have become a slave, which I used to think slavery. Actually, that was my freedom. How? I don't understand. When I was in my in-laws, na, who is on the gate? I really never cared about that. Because in that home I was daughter-in-law. What is in the home, what is not? I was free from all that. My all kids na were always with grandmother and grandfather. And my going out anywhere and coming, I was not stopped for anything. Yeah, there were some rules which were very important. But because of that anger, I never wanted to stay in any bondage. And I never liked that my husband after coming back from office will go to meet his mother. Then I told Sagar I took this home. And since then na doorbell important stuff, Sagar kids, I have become their slave. I can't go anywhere. I have to make kids do their homework. I have to take care of them. I can't take them along. I can't leave them at home alone. So, because of compulsion, doing parties, going out anywhere, we have to leave it all. But in my in laws, there were no bondages. And now, house rent and other expenses have also increased. Sagar is also not happy like before. So, then, why don't you go back to your in laws? How will I go back to them? Once Sagar told mother in law. Then father in law refused by saying that once we have managed to take care of ourselves so difficultly, we don't have that much power to deal with another shock. So it's better for you that you stay there only. Ria, with parents now more than bondages, it's freedom, which we never like at all. I stepped out of house and came to know that in the name of freedom, we have tied chains in our feet. Being elder, I will only give you one advice. Whatever decision you will take, think carefully and take. Mother in law, please forgive me. I did a very big mistake. What happened, daughter? I don't want to stay separate. I want to live with you. So I also don't want to separate. I also want to live with you. I did so wrong behavior with you. Please for that forgive me. Okay, I've forgiven. Okay?